Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samantha and I do skin bleaching tips and review all about skincare. So if you're new to my channel, just like, share, subscribe, watch the ads, comment, because this video is going to be extra interesting. This video is teaching you how to mix Caro White for 1 million customers. So without further ado, stay right here and don't move a muscle. Let's get right into the mixture. Alright. So if you're one of those lovely people that open your bleaching cream business but don't know how to mix your lightening cream and don't know how to make large portions, oh, come on people, let's get right into mixture because we don't want to waste no more time. We just want to do this and get it out of the way. So first thing you're going to get is 300 Caro Tone Lightening Cream. Yes, 300. A big clean bucket. You can't mix in a tiny bowl because a lot of people you're mixing it for, and you have to ensure you sanitize out that properly or make sure it's new. And even though it's new, you're going to sanitize it properly because not come clean nowadays. You have to wash it, you have to sanitize it, you have to make it clean. Yeah, alright. You're going to get around 300 Caro Tone or Caro White, depending on which one you like to use. This mixture goes both ways, right? You can add 300 jars of the Immediate Clear, 2 of the Koji Berry Action, Triple Action. You can add 15 milk protein, 15 tamarind lightening gel. You're going to add 5 aloderm and around 6. You can add 2 pounds of shea butter. You can add a bottle of glow oil. You can add a bottle of the rose water toner. You can add 1 of the BioClear oil. You're not going to add too much thing. You're going to add around 3 of the light up gel. You're going to add 2 of the pure white gold. Yeah, you're going to add just a little of the Neoprozone brightening serum. You can also add the sunflower beauty oil. This is amazing for your skin. Make your skin look glowing. Another thing you can use in this mixture is to get around 4 of the New Light and 4 of the Civic Cream, or 5, because it's a lot of mixtures. When you're finished, you can mix them. I'm thinking of mixing creams and selling it for you guys to purchase. Let me know if you would purchase creams from me because you don't know my cream them well good and nice. Yes, and some nice. Yes, so someone nice stuff. Beautiful people. Yes, with confidence. Anyway, so this is a mixture. You're going to mix it all up, and then you can leave this for up to 40 to 78 hours. Make it go on soaking, because remember, sir, only per cream, this amount of cream can last around 1,000 people up, yeah, or more. Yeah, guys. Well guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, watch the ads. Don't skip the ads. Go and watch more videos on my platform. I have so much video you can watch. But video can't done. So when I come back tomorrow, come watch more new video. Have a great day. If I do a video tomorrow, I'm do it the other day. But I'm not got too long. Yes.